Well, hello everybody. Welcome to fire alarm test number 45. And today we're going to be testing the system sensor MASS12M. Yes, this is the sounder only version, except and it's white. Therefore, it's meant to be a general notification alarm. There's no fire lettering on it, and to make things clear, guys, there is not going to be a pull station test part in the test, because not for this test, because this alarm doesn't have any fire lettering on it. It's because it's white and it's meant to be a general notification alarm. But first, I'm going to flip it over to the back before we plug it in and test it. As you can see, the wires are kind of loose, so I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, the label's a little bit worn out, and this is one of the devices that David gave me, and here's the model number right there. MASS12LO. Outdoor use, and there was a strobe model number, so I believe the model number is SS12M. So there you go. So that's basically all it is. Now let's zoom out. Here's the whole back of the device. Now let's flip it back over to the front. And of course, the cord is a little bit heavy, so this is gonna be a very short test, and I have another surprise video after this one. So anyways, let's give it a test. And I'm only gonna sound it off for like 15 to 20 seconds and then call it quits. Alright? So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Man, that was loud. Sounds like a Gentex GOS pretty much, but higher pitch version of it. Okay, so anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been 5 months since, because in August, that was my last test, which was fire alarm test number 44. That was back in August, but so here's a brand new fire alarm test for the new year. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this short test, fire alarm test number 45, but once again, there is no pull station part of the test because there's no fire lettering on this device. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it, and that'll be it. Take care.